Hi guys, stupid hot in the conservatory again. That currently says 120.6 Fahrenheit. What I wanted to do was fix that fella because his magnet's fallen off. In fact, I think what happened was this one was swinging so much in the sunshine it swung right over, corresponded with that one swinging backwards and forwards, swinging that way. And it actually, the magnet on that one caught the magnet on that one and pulled it off. Something like that. Either way, the magnet's dropped off that one, it's gone over, migrated over to that side, and that magnet on there is holding it in place. So I should put a bit of super glue on there and get it back working again. I should think I hot glued it. That's what I usually do with things. You see that one's swinging free now. So we'll glue that back together and we should be good to go. Oh, that was out of focus. Sorry about that. The only problem we might have, as I can see it, is which way up the magnet goes. I'm hoping it might be that side. I'm just going to move that. Oh, that just jumped to the middle, didn't it? Yeah, right, that's the wrong way up. It should be pushing it away. So if I put that way up, there we go. Right, the way this one works, the solar panel is charging up a capacitor under there via a little bit of circuitry, and that generates a pulse that goes through the coil there, making a magnetic pulse which should make that one jump out the way, but it's got to be that way up to work. Yeah, so somehow I got to get that onto there. I say previously that would have been hot glue. Well, I'll try a bit of super glue directly on there and just try and hold it in place. It's probably gonna, oh, I've got it on my fingers. Got a lot of it on my fingers. That's not gonna work. Absolutely no way that's gonna work. No, okay, I'm gonna have to go and get it off my fingers and try another way of doing it. Probably put a little pile of something underneath to lift it up. Back in a minute when I've deglued my fingers. The reason I got glue on my fingers is that nozzle's got a split down the side of it, so the glue is coming out the sides. Right, let's just see if this will work. Touch that one there. I sprayed it with the kicker agent that should make it go off straight away. So now if I lift it, nope, it's coming off. Oh, this is being a pain. Let's leave it there for a few seconds. Put that back on top. Nope, that's not. Try again. I expect it will come off the top here. I'm sure that's all I've done, just used hot glue. I could always go and watch the original video, couldn't I? That's better. There we go. And if you haven't seen the previous videos, the circuit that we're using is the circuit from a beam bot, which is a little fella that reacts to sunlight, and usually you've got a little motor or something and it just moves around. The clever ones either point towards the sun and keep moving, or point away from the sun and move away from the sun. But this one is just kicking the magnet. And we're not even in direct sunlight, so where it was probably going crazy, because that was in direct sunlight. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.